Good morning, good morning, good morning. How's everybody doing out there on Freedom Friday? Hope you're having an amazing day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Hey guys, I'm back with Smart Desktop AI. I talked about it last night. The new update has come where you guys need to go in and fill out your information so that you can get your commissions. All right, all the commissions from July will be paid next week, so you need to fill out the form. Okay, so want to go over that real quick. If you haven't checked out all the things I got going on, go to www.coffeeandcoins.info. See this on the screen. All right, check it out. You want to come here first. All right, first thing you want to do, come here, come down here. You're gonna see the Smart Desktop AI. It is now free 99. Doesn't cost you $20 anymore. That's over. If you're watching this for the first time, it is free, guys. All right, and the first thing I want you to do is come down here and get your free marketing system. Okay, get that first. Click there, get that. Then come over here, come up, Smart Desktop AI. Click this button. Okay, once you click this button, now it's free. Once you click this, you're gonna get this. You're gonna see this. This is the new page I was talking about last night. If you want this page, you gotta log into your dashboard and join the school community, SKOOL. You can only join it from inside your dashboard. Get this page, right? So you come here, get your free account, come down here, read over everything, guys. Again, it is free. And you're still gonna earn $60 for everybody that signs up. Okay? Who knows how long this is gonna last? That's why you want to jump on it. These commissions, because the company is not going to keep giving away $60 commissions forever. They got to make some money at some point. So you want to get this now. The software is free. Become an affiliate for free and earn $60 on everybody that signs up with you. Okay? That's it. That's all. Keep it simple. Come down here. There's a video. Watch this video. Okay? It is free. This program was $20. It is now free. Fill this out correctly. You must be 21 years old at least to be an affiliate for this program. All right. Put your name, first name, and your email. Okay. Make sure this is the same email you're going to use to create your account. First name, email. Acknowledge this. All right. You want in. Now, get your page. All right. You come here. This is where you're going to create your AI account. First name, last name, email. Keep everything the same so it matches up at the end of the day when it's time to pay you out. You don't want fake information in here, because how are they going to pay you? Your bank account and this information is not going to match if you put in fake information. Please, first name, real information, last name, email. Okay, set it all up. Boom. Now, I'm going to show you what you need to fill out so you can make sure you get paid correctly and everybody that you join. Okay, so fill this out, create your account. What's next? You come to your dashboard. Boom. Here, see it says dashboard. Okay, here's my name. See my code right here? 2975. Write that down. You're going to need it. Okay, everybody that joins me and have joined me, you need this code 2975. And here's my name right here, right? Now, also in this dashboard, look, affiliate update, school group. Join here. It's only $2, guys. This is where they're putting all the real updates and the information. You want to join the Telegram group too, but they're putting more info in this school group. I can tell you that. Pay the $2, and you can also get that page that I was talking about, right? You see the commissions hadn't been updated yet, but they said over the weekend, right? They're going to be updating all this stuff. Okay. Now, again, make note 2975, because see right here it says update genealogy and payment information. This is where you're going to put your information so they can pay you. Okay. All right. So when I click this, watch this, write this down, 2975. I'm the one that referred you. Now we're going to go here. Boom. Here's the form. This is the commission form. All right. Very important that you fill this out correctly. All right. See right here, it says sponsor code. So we go back to my dashboard. This is my code, 2975. So make sure you put that in, and here's my name right here. So when you get over here, they ask you, what's your sponsor code? Don't worry about the email. So you got my code, put in 2975. Then you come in, first name Pandora, last name Martin, right here. Now, this is what you're going to fill out here so they can pay you. Put your name. What is your name on the bank account? See, that needs to match this stuff over here that I've been talking about, right? That's why it's important. Right here, you put your first name, last name, email. Okay, this needs to match. All right, so they get here and they say, well, what is your name for your bank account? Then what's your routing number? What's your, this is for the U.S. The U.S., you must use a routing number, bank account information. So what is the name on your bank account? What is your routing number? What's your account number? For everybody outside the country, international, see it says here, you're going to use WISE. So you're going to create you a WISE account. Put in your name, your WISE email, and what country you're out of. That's for the international folks outside the U.S. Okay, guys? This is very important. Pay attention, please. Okay? For your sake as well. Okay? So again, let's go over this one more time. You come here in your back office. You're going to join the school, join the Telegram, and you're going to click here so that you can set up your payment information so the Smart Desktop AI can pay you. All right? And again, my code, see it says referral link, that's me. If you join me, or you have joined me, put in 2975. We'll come back over here to the form, right? And you click that button right here. See right here, it says update payment information. This is how you're going to get your commissions. Come here, sponsor code, put in 2975. Don't worry about the email. Put my first name, last name. Okay? Or worst case, the code right here, 2975. All right, fill out this information for your bank account, your name, your routing, your account number. All right, so just wanted to go over that with you guys so that you can see what's there and how it works. All right, so go to www.coffeeandcoins.info today. Get this Smart Desktop AI. It's going to be sending out 50 emails a day on your behalf to promote your business opportunity. Attention affiliate marketers, digital marketers, network marketers. Get this, guys. This is going to help you with your business. All right. So 350 leads a week. It's going to be sending out on your behalf. So get it while it is free. It was 20. Now it's free. All right. Don't sleep on this. Watch this. There's a little video here that explains everything. And fill this out. First name, email. Acknowledge you're 21 or older. Get your software today. If you have any questions, reach out to me. All right, guys. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.